Today let's take a piece of square stock, 1/2 inch square like this, and put a nice point on it real quickly under the power hammer. This is particularly useful for those of you who are making campfire sets. First off, I'm using flat dies with a saddle around the lower die to hold tooling. Then we've made this tool. This is just a tapered block of steel with a fixture on it to hold it into the dies. The taper is 15 degrees. Put it in the die holder and clamp it down. Just like that.